one of their main narrative, which is big misguiding tool for the young Muslims, whoever are being influenced, is that we should make an effort to implement a single global Khalifa. We need establishment of a caliph. He will govern the whole Muslim communities and non-Muslim communities, and he will implement the Sharia law. This is one of their tools which they use. As a humble student of Islam, as I mentioned earlier, whatever I would say, for example, I have composed more than 200 books just on hadith of Prophet Muhammad, the traditions. And the major encyclopedia, the big compendium which I have compiled, consists of around 40,000 hadiths of Prophet Muhammad. And I have gone through more than 500,000 hadiths of Prophet Muhammad in order to compile this compendium. So when I speak, so I know what I am saying. And I know with this guarantee, no one, no leader, religious or political, representing the terrorists, violent extremists, he won't be able to rebut it. And it has never been rebutted. I tell you, I have never found a single Quranic verse. And I have never found a single tradition or commandment of Prophet of Islam. I'm talking, never found a single Quranic verse or a single tradition of Prophet of Islam commandment where he has said, this is your duty to fight, to establish a khilafah or to appoint a khalifa for the world. No verse and no commandment of Holy Prophet I have seen in my life. So I categorically denounce it. This is a silly thing. And the word khilafah and khalifa doesn't mean anything else except khalafa yakhlufu. Khilafa means coming one after another. Continuity of government. This is the word khilafah. It means continuity of the government. As your term, maybe 4 years term in Norwegian government or 3 years terms, when one term finishes, you hold elections and the new prime minister or the new cabinet take over. Then when their terms will finish, again new government will take over. This process of taking over and coming one after another and continuity of the government, only this process is known as khalafa and khilafah. Then the system of government may be presidential, it can be prime ministerial, it can be monarchical. Any kind of democratic government comes under the same thing. So this is just a misguidance and ignorance and illiteracy. They are not authorities of Quran and Sunnah. Deeply, they don't know anything about the teachings of Prophet of Islam. Whatever they say, whatever they propagate, whatever they expand, their ideology, that is totally against the teachings of Quran and Sunnah of Holy Prophet.